Hi, this is Steph. On homework 7, I have number 2, which says prove theorem 5.2. For all disjoint cycles alpha and beta, alpha beta equals beta alpha. So we are going to start with let A equal A1, A2 all the way up to AM, B1, B2 all the way up to BN, C1, C2 all the way up to CK, and let alpha equal A1, A2 all the way up to AM, and beta equal B1, B2 all the way up to BN. So basically what this is saying is alpha only affects the A elements in the set, beta only affects the B elements in the set, and then the C elements aren't affected by alpha or beta. So we have to show 3 things. That alpha beta of the A elements equals beta alpha of the A elements. Same thing for the B elements, same thing for the C elements. Okay, so I started by just defining A and alpha and beta, just like it did in the question. So then part 1, show alpha beta of AI equals beta alpha of AI. So choose element AI as a member of A. So alpha beta of AI equals alpha of beta of AI. So we know that beta of AI, that beta doesn't affect the A elements, so really it just ends up being alpha of AI. So we know that alpha of AI, well, that just brings it to whatever is the next thing in the cycle, so we'll call that AI plus 1. So now we have to show that beta alpha of AI will give us the same thing. So beta alpha of AI is beta times alpha of AI. So we know alpha AI, alpha brings it to the next element in the cycle. So we know it brings it to AI plus 1. We also know that beta of any A doesn't change the A, so we end up with AI plus 1. So we just showed that alpha beta AI equals a to the I plus 1, which also equals beta alpha of AI. So now we have to do the same thing for the B elements. So show that, alpha beta of BI equals beta alpha of BI. So I did almost the exact same thing, but with the B elements. So we start with alpha beta of BI, which is the same thing as alpha of beta of BI. This time we know that beta does affect the B's, so beta of BI is just BI plus 1. We also know that alpha doesn't affect the B's, so my answer is just beta I plus 1. So if I do it reverse, beta alpha of BI, okay, so alpha of BI, alpha doesn't affect the B elements. So I end up with just beta of BI, which we know is B sub I plus 1. So we just showed that alpha beta of BI is the same thing as beta alpha BI. All right, last step is the C elements. So we know that alpha and beta don't affect the C elements. They're not part of those cycles. So alpha beta of CI, same thing as alpha of beta CI, right? Beta doesn't affect the C's, so it's still just CI. Alpha of CI, alpha doesn't affect the C's, so it's still CI. If I reverse the order, I get the same result. So alpha beta of CI is equal to beta alpha of CI. So we showed all 3 parts were true. So finally, alpha beta equals beta alpha. And that's it.